Hi everyone, this is Monica Singh and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another Meesho haul. Yes, today I'm going to be sharing some really affordable summer kurtis from Meesho under rupees 300 only. And yeah, you guys can see me. I'm all ready to do this haul. I'm really excited actually. So without wasting any time, let's get quickly started with this haul. So first I'm gonna start with this kurti which I'm wearing right now. So I'm wearing this really beautiful blue kurti and it is sleeveless, you guys can see. Also it has really beautiful neckline, round neckline, and it has this red piping also, which I love the most. That is why I'm wearing this red bangle to match the vibe with this kurti. And yeah, I paired it up with white pajama, white cotton pajama. It is a A-line kurti, तो इसकी जो length है वो knees तक है. And I got this in an extra small size and look at the fit guys. It fits me so well. I love the fit. हमेशा की तरह मुझे extra small बहुत ही ज़्यादा fit आता है. And yeah, the material of this कुर्ता is rayon and cotton mix. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा soft नहीं है. The material is quite harsh. I don't find this material really soft. Anyways, it has prints all over the kurti, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लग रहा है. And yeah, this kurti is so versatile. आप इसे jeans के साथ pair up कर सकते हो, pajamas के साथ pair up कर सकते हो, and it's perfect for college, office and normal day out के लिए भी. आप अगर बाहर जाना चाहते हो पहन के तो you can go. So yeah, I love this kurti. I highly recommend you guys to get this one from Meesho. And lastly, I got this one for just rupees 240. So it's again really affordable. Definitely go for this. And that's all for this kurti guys. Let's move on to my next one now. Next up, I've got this kurti from Meesho. So it is a floral kurti. Let me just open first. Okay, so yes, this is the kurti guys. So it is again a sleeveless kurti in a pink color, pink white color, and look at it. It has again round neckline, no sleeves. Again it's a A-line kurti. तो मैंने सारे जो कुर्तीज़ है वो A-line ही ऑर्डर किए हैं, शॉर्ट कुर्तीज़ मैंने ऑर्डर नहीं किए हैं. एंड या ये आपके नीज तक आएगी. एंड ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा सिंपल है. इट इज़ रियली सिंपल yet really cute. I find the color really cute, pink. इसे भी मैंने एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल साइज में ऑर्डर किया है एंड इसका भी फिट मुझे बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. लव इट. एंड या मटेरियल ऑफ दिस कुर्ता इज़ रेयॉन अगेन. सो इट इज़ नॉट कॉटन कुर्ता बट इसका मटेरियल थोड़ा सॉफ्ट है इससे. या आई लाइक द मटेरियल. इट्स रेयॉन एंड इट्स नॉट सी थ्रू एट ऑल गाइज. Talking about the styling, so again we can style it up with white bottoms, white pajamas and jeans. दोनों के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा लगने वाला है. And it is perfect for office, college, day out. Yeah. And lastly, I got this one for just rupees 194. Can you believe ये कुर्ती मुझे 194 rupees में मिली है? Yes. So this is that affordable in Meesho and I highly recommend you guys to go for this kurti. And now let's show you guys the third one. Third one, I've got this printed kurti from Meesho and look at this guys. It has the stripes sleeves. it is pura sleeveless. Also it has this adjustment thing. आप इसे अपने हिसाब से adjust करके पहन सकते हो. And again it's A-line kurti, knee length तक आएगी. And the fit, oh my god, it fits me so good. सारे कुर्तीज़ मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी फिट आ रही है. And look at the material. I really love the material. It is cotton, तो ये summers के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. And the color, it has white and red color. It is red I guess. Red and little pink. So I really love the color. It is very different also. And also the neckline, it has my heart. It is square neckline and it has stripes detailing. And the fit, everything is so good. and again we can pair it up with jeans bottom wear like white bottoms, mostly white के साथ ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Yeah, lastly I got this one for rupees 249. Yes, so I got this one for rupees 249 under 300. I told you guys I love this kurti, definitely go for this one. And yeah, that's all for this pretty kurti. Now let's move on to the last kurti I've got from Meesho, guys. So here is the last one. It is a different kind of like, yeah, ये बाकियों से बहुत अलग है. So I got this white kurti from Meesho. पहले खोल लीजिए इसे. Okay, so look at this kurti, guys. I really love this kurti. I mean, look at the white. It is giving Desi girl aesthetic vibe. Yeah, I really love this neckline detailing also. It has round V cut neckline and long bell sleeves. You can see. अगेन इसकी भी लेंथ नी तक है. इट हैज़ एम्ब्रॉयडरी डिटेलिंग, तो ये धागे से बना हुआ एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. या इट इज़ नॉट प्रिंट एट ऑल. तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है. लुक एट इट. दिस वन आई गॉट इट इन अ स्मॉल साइज बिकॉज मुझे इसका फिट लुक नहीं चाहिए था. आई वॉन्टेड इट टू बी लिटिल लूज. या एंड इट फिट्स रियली वेल. इसका मटीरियल रेयॉन है. अगेन इट इज़ नॉट कॉटन, बट आप इसे गर्मियों में पहन सकते हो बिकॉज इट इज़ सॉफ्ट and it is breathable also. Yeah, and lastly I got this one for just rupees 301. Yes, so that's all for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this mini kurti haul from Meesho. And yeah, I've also mentioned all the product links in my description, तो आप उसे easily check कर सकते हो. मैंने कुछ products और add किए हैं अपने links में. And thank you so much for watching this haul. See you all in my next video. Bye.